Hello and welcome to the course creation tutorial with LearnFormula. We're looking forward to working with you. To begin the course creation process, please log in to your LearnFormula account. After you have accessed your account, you will have an option to create a course just by clicking on the Create Course button in the right-hand corner. Below, you will be able to see a number of topics we have highlighted for our instructors. These topics have been recommended by students and many of our users. These topics are in demand and are currently being searched for by our students, however, are currently unavailable on LearnFormula. Feel free to select any one of the topics below if they match your expertise and interest. If you have a topic of your own that you wish to pursue, feel free to type in the title of the topic above. After the title of the topic has been added, click Create Course to proceed to the next stage. At this point, you will have an option to either upload video files to the course and begin the classic process of uploading a course. Alternatively, you will have an option to upload a PDF file that will engage the AI course creation assistant. The PDF file can be any document that has at least 2 pages of text. This document can be an academic article, a research paper, or just a bunch of notes you've thrown together on any given subject. As long as the content is technical, detailed, and accurate, it should be satisfactory for the purposes of this tool. Just click on Upload PDFs button, make a selection for the appropriate document, and the generation of the course outline will commence. After the outline has been generated, feel free to review all of the sections and subsections to make sure the titles of the below are satisfactory. If you notice any issues with the names of sections or subsections that you wish to adjust, just click on the pen icon near the impacted name and rewrite it or adjust it as needed. If you believe there are any major issues with any subsection or section which requires its deletion, just click on the trash icon on the right-hand side, confirm your selection, and the appropriate section or subsection will be removed. If you need to add additional subsections or sections to the outline, just click on the Add icon below any given section to add an additional subsection, or scroll down to add additional full sections. After you are satisfied with the outline and ready to proceed to the slide generation step, scroll up, click Next, and slides will be generated momentarily. After the slides have been generated, you will have an opportunity to review all of the slides pre-generated for you, as well as the script pre-generated for each one of the slides. For the script, you will have an opportunity to adjust it as needed. If you wish to make any changes to it, feel free to rewrite it according to your preference. When you're satisfied with the script, you can scroll down to review the individual slides as well. For the slides, you have full editorial control of the content that goes within, including images and text. To replace images, feel free to click on an image, replace media, and either regenerate a new image using AI, search for an image using our integration with the stock image catalog from Unsplash, or upload an image of your own that you have on your local computer. That can be especially helpful if you're using a data table or a graph to display any information towards the discussion during the course. After you're satisfied with the image and the text in the initial slide, click on the next slide to review the other components. For the bullet points as well as the title of the slide, you have full control. You can add additional bullet points just by clicking Enter, add additional text to them, or remove bullet points just by deleting the text associated with them. Just click on the next slide to save the changes made. After you have reviewed all of the slides in the module, scroll up, select the next module, and repeat the previous step. You also have an option to make adjustments to the formatting of the text, including bolding the text, making it italic, or re-inting the text on the slide, as well as adjusting the size. You can also play around with the themes of the slide to adjust the coloring, or assign statuses to the slide to better track your work progress in the presentation. If the slide is completely unsatisfactory or unnecessary to the presentation, just click Delete Slide, confirm your selection, and it is going to be removed from the presentation. After you have done reviewing all of the slides in the section 1, click Next Section to proceed to section number 2. After all of the slides have been reviewed here as well, just click Next Section again and cycle through the sections, reviewing all the modules and slides as needed. After reaching the final slide, you will have an opportunity to add any additional information as you prefer, whether it's a link to your professional social media, email address, or any other information you wish to disclose with the students. When you're ready to proceed, just scroll up and click Next to get to the audio generation step. In the audio and video generation stage, you will have an opportunity to either use AI text-to-speech to voice over your entire presentation, or record your own voice and video for the lecture. Let's try record your voice and video now. Make the appropriate selection and click Next to proceed to the next stage. Here, you will have an opportunity to review your script once again and make any final changes if needed. Feel free to scroll down and go through the slides in the first module to make sure that all of the scripts are ready to proceed. When you're good to go, just click Start Recording, and a new window is going to pop up asking for your access to your web camera and microphone. Grant the system access so it can begin the recording. After the system has been given access to your web camera and microphone, you will have an opportunity to click Record Yourself to begin the recording. Make sure that your script is visible to you on the screen so you can very easily read off it when you're doing the recording. When the recording begins, you will have an opportunity to read off of the script above. In case you make any mistakes, or if you believe you need to take a pause, feel free to click Pause right here and resume. If any issues have happened during the recording stage, such as misspeaks, or if you need to take a break, you can click on Deletion of the video button right here. If you're satisfied with the recording and you're ready to proceed to the next slide, just click Done. The system will automatically open the next slide for you to begin the recording. After the recording has been done, for all of the slides in the module, scroll up and click Save and Exit to enter the main menu. At this stage, you will have an option to select the next module, review the scripts, and click Start Recording once again to begin the recording of the audio and video. When the recording has been done for all of the modules and all of the sections, click Next to proceed to the course setup page. If you decide to use the AI text-to-speech option, make the appropriate selection on the left, scroll down, and you will have an option to either select one of our pre-selected voices, or alternatively, clone your own voice. To do that, just click Use My Own Voice instead, and record a voice sample for the system to use. To do that, click Record Your Voice, give the system access to your microphone, and below you will be suggested a copy of a script for you to read out for the system to clone your voice. When you're ready to begin, just click Start Recording. After the audio has been saved, you can replay it, delete it, or replace it if you prefer. You can also add a photo for an AI avatar to be used during the presentation. To do that, click on Add Photo for AI Avatar and capture a photo. To capture a photo, just click on the button on the left or upload an image of your own. If you decide to capture a photo, give system access to your camera. After the photo has been added, scroll up and click Next to begin the generation step. After the audio has been generated, you will have an opportunity to review the audio files as well as the video to make sure that the quality is satisfactory. To pre-play the audio, just click on the play icon above.
Hello and welcome to Strategic Business Management in the 21st Century. I'm Artem Lapine, and I'm excited to guide you through this comprehensive course. Our focus will be on understanding how business management has evolved in response to global developments, technological advancements, and shifting market dynamics. We'll explore adaptive and innovative management strategies essential for success today, and we'll begin by establishing a strong foundation in the historical context of business management.
After you have reviewed the audio, you will have an opportunity to adjust the script if needed, if you believe any changes should be made to the structure of the script. Alternatively, if you notice any issues with the audio, just click Regenerate Audio and a new audio file will be provided. After you review all of the modules and all of the sections, just click Next to proceed to the course setup page. After the videos have been generated, you will have an opportunity to generate an additional quiz for your course. If you wish to skip this step, just click Skip above. Alternatively, type in the name of the quiz below, a description for the quiz if required, as well as a passing grade. A passing grade may be required by some accreditation organizations for the purposes of an accredit assignment. You can also generate a quiz title and description using AI just by clicking Regenerate Title and Description. When you're ready to proceed, just click Next Step. At this stage, you will be able to either add all the questions and answers manually, import questions if they have already been prepared before, or generate questions using the AI tool. If you have used the AI generation tool, make sure to review all of your questions and answers to verify the information provided. Scroll down to review all of your questions and click on each question to see the appropriate question, the correct answer from the multiple choice selection, and the explanation for the correct answer. When you're ready to proceed, just scroll up and click Complete Quiz. When the quiz has been generated, a number of course peripheral components will be pre-generated using AI, such as subtitle, course thumbnail, category, learning outcomes, description, and a couple of others. Make sure to review all of the above to verify their accuracy. For the subtitle and all of the other text components, you can rewrite them just by clicking on the text and making the appropriate adjustments. You can also click AI Regenerate below any one of the components to regenerate it alone using AI. For the thumbnail, you can either regenerate a new thumbnail using AI, upload an image of your own, or select another image from our stock footage catalog integration via Unsplash. For the categories, they will be pre-selected using AI, but make sure to confirm the selection made. After you are ready to proceed, just click Save and Continue. At the profile stage, you'll have an opportunity to review your instructor bio and other instructor information. You will also have an option to add the information for additional contributors, authors, or speakers to the course who have helped you with the creation of this material. When you're ready to proceed to the next stage, just click Save and Continue. At the pricing stage, you will have an option to include your preferred instructor fee. This amount will be your royalty for each individual course sale. Just enter the amount above. Make sure your Stripe account is connected to LearnFormula to expedite any payments to be made, and click Save and Continue when ready. At the description stage, the course description, course tags, and learning outcomes will be pre-generated using AI as previously mentioned. Make sure to review all of the components to verify their accuracy. For learning objectives, if you wish to make any changes to them, just click on the pen icon next to any one of the 6 learning objectives. If you wish to delete one or multiple of the learning objectives, just click on the trash icon to the right. If you wish to regenerate the components, just click AI Regenerate. When you're ready to proceed, just click Save and Continue. At the final publication stage, just click Submit to Review and your course will be sent to LearnFormula. After Submit to Review is clicked, your course will be made available to the LearnFormula team for the purposes of the final review and application for accreditations. Thank you for being part of LearnFormula. We're looking forward to working with you.